Well, hello! It's so good to hear from you. I hope that you will join me for a story. Hi, it's Miss Sherry from the library. I was just on the phone with a special guest who will be joining us later. Today's story is Maggie and Michael Get Dressed by Denise Fleming. Michael, it's time to get dressed. Maggie, did you hear that? It's time to get dressed. Look, Maggie, socks. Yellow socks. Maggie, come back here. Look what Maggie did. Socks go on your feet, Maggie, not in your mouth. Which shirt, Maggie? The purple shirt or the green shirt with orange stripes? Over your head, Maggie. Good girl. Look, Maggie, pants. Blue pants with big pockets. Other end, girl. Maggie, too many kisses. Look at Maggie. The yellow socks, the green and orange striped shirt, and the blue pants with the big pockets. Black boots or red sneakers? Brown hat or pink cap? We forgot underwear, Maggie. Look, it's white. Michael, are you dressed? Almost. I'll be back soon, Maggie. Be a good girl. Let's check out that outfit. Green and orange striped shirt, blue pants with big pockets, red sneakers, and brown hat. And the yellow socks, let's not forget those. Maggie, I'm home. Uh-oh. Did you miss me, Maggie? The end. Maggie and Michael Get Dressed by Denise Fleming. Hi, everyone. Look who's here. Zippy Dragon. We agree that we both love colors and clothes. I mean, who doesn't? Such as yellow socks, blue pants, green and orange striped shirt, red sneakers, brown hat, colors and clothes, colors and clothes. It's good to know your colors and clothes. Until next time, be safe and take care.